बच्चे रोते हैं, लड़की रोते हैं और 3 घंटे का टाइम इनसफिशिएंट हो जाता है और बाकी का सारा सवाल छोड़कर आ जाता है। अगर स्टूडेंट्स करे तो करे क्या? Hello children, I hope you all are doing great. I have seen and I have been noticing many of the students that those who cannot complete the paper within 180 minutes. So for them I have come by taking one of the finest as well as the best strategy that he or she can complete the paper in the board examination 2021 in only and only 140 minutes. Yes, you are correct. In 140 minutes you the people can complete the paper in 140 minutes. So without making any delay, let's the best strategy get started. As you know very well everyone that there are having 4 sections, that is section A, section B, section C, section D in the science paper, and in which the total number of question is 36, out of which the 1 to 20 number of question comes in the section A, which comprise of case study, MCQ, give one word, as well as some of the define the following in which it comes. Let us understand the section number A. Section number A, how many total number of question is 20, in which 1 to 16 total number of question is 20, in which 1 to 16 number of questions it is there, like MCQ it is there, and many more questions like the MCQ, define one word, and like one word answer is also there, including assessment and reason. The question may come in this way: define resistance, define ampere, define galvanometer, and catenation. In this way the question will come, I am pretty sure, and very important. And the total number of question is 1 to 16, and being a student I have been analyzed, I have been noticed that a real student can take only 1 minute. I repeat, a students need only 1 minute to complete one question from section A, from 1 to 16. अगर एक बच्चा 1 से 16 नंबर तक का क्वेश्चन को कुछ अटेंड करे तो only 1 minute he or she needs, but I am giving you 1.5 minutes. I am giving you 1.5 minutes. That means 16 into 1.5 minutes, which is equal to perhaps 24 minutes, but I am giving you 25 minutes, which is equal to 24 minutes. But let us assume in a round figure that is 25 minutes. That means from 1 to 16 question, that means a P50 students is appearing the question from 1 to 16, he or she should take only and only 25 minutes, which is sufficient, more than enough. And see, many students are there to write a 1 mark answer, to write a 2 mark answer. They are writing a paragraph, they are writing very long, but I would like to recommend them not to do that, because they are not going to get 5 marks from the 2 mark question, because and from that only a single line or maximum 2 bullet points, 2 sentences of a bullet point answer he or she should write. I repeat, from 1 to 16 question number, he or she should take only 25 minutes, and out of that 4 questions left, which stands as a case based question or case study question. And from the case study question, and the question comes from the case study question, that is periodic classification, chapter number 5, chapter number 6 life process, chapter number 13 magnetic effect, chapter number 10 light. From that particular chapter only the case study question is going to come. And in a case study question, as you know very well, 5 questions will be there. Out of that 4 questions you have to do, and the total number of questions the students will attend, that is a 60 number of question for 4 case study, and in each case study 4 question will be there, and total number of question is 16. Here is also total number of question is 16, but यहाँ पर एक बच्चे को टाइम लेना है, यहाँ पर एक बच्चे को टाइम लगता है करने में, that is 16 times 2, 16 into 2, 32 minutes. That means केस स्टडी का अगर बच्चा केस स्टडी किया तो उसे कहीं 32 मिनट्स का टाइम लग जाएगा. Skip to the 2 mark question, that is section B. How many questions are going to come from this? Only 6 questions are going to come. Only 6 questions are going to come, and in which, my dear children, and in which you have to remain very smart of it, and only and only 2 to 3 sentences you're gonna write, maximum 3 sentences. You should not cross 3 sentences more than that, and it should be in a bullet points. It should be in a complete details and analysis. Do not write a paragraph. Do not waste your time. But a student, a good student, a brilliant student, everyone is brilliant in front of me, but a student only need 2 minutes to write a paper, 2 minutes to write a question, but I am giving him or her 3 minutes. That means 6. That means that our total number of question is 6, and 6 and 1 question stand for 3 marks. One question stand for 3 marks, and sorry, one question stands for 3 minutes. That is 6 into 3, 18 minutes. That means in 18 minutes, section B is going to complete. That means in 18 minutes, section B is going to complete. That means you should not waste your time. You should not waste your time. 18 मिनट से 19 मिनट ही नहीं लगेगा. बच्चे लोग 6 क्वेश्चन को 12 मिनट 15 मिनट में निपटा देते हैं, मगर 18 मिनट I have given you, which is enough time for as much as I have seen being a student. Let us go to the section number C, which is a 3-mark question, and you not only you, I also, everyone know that only 7-mark question, only 7 question are going to come from this. Only 7-mark question is going to come from this, and it's comprised of 3 marks, right? Acha. But here I have analysis while I have done also mathematically, and I have taken being a student or to being a write the answer only 3.5 minutes. Only 3.5 and below of that also. That means if a student is writing a question, if a student is writing a 3-mark question in the section C, 3 minutes, maximum 3 minutes he or she will be needed, or 3.5, but I have given him or her 5 minutes. 5 minutes. अब बच्चा 5 मिनट लेकर भी लिख सकता. That means 7 question into 5, which is 35 minutes. Which is 35 minutes. That means a particular child should not cross more than 35 minutes. Again section D, only having a 3 questions. Section D having a 3 questions, but I have given 10 minutes to do a particular question. 10 minutes. 1 question 10 minutes. 3 question 30 minutes. 3 into 10 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 3 question 10 minutes. 30 minutes, and 10 minutes extra. 10 minutes extra I have given also. For which reason beta? 10 minutes extra I have given. For which reason? कोई किसी को देखे कौन कितना स्पीड से लिख रहा है, कौन कितना कम स्पीड से लिख रहा है, हु इज राइटिंग फास्ट, हु इज राइटिंग स्लो, पानी पीना है, पानी देना है, किसी को बुलाना है, हेलो हाय डियर, you are very intelligent in yourself, and for that reason I have given 10 minutes extra. And let us calculate the total. I don't have space. Let us do here. That is, let us take the first, that is 25 minutes. Again let us take here is 32 minutes. Again let us take from here, that is 18 minutes, and from here 35 minutes, and from here 30 minutes, and from here 10 minutes extra. Let us add it. Acha, that means 5 to 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 13, 14, 15, 20, 2, and I say 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. 140 minutes. Am I sure? Let me say 2, 2, 4, 4, 7, 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 150. I'm sorry, mathematical wrong. 150 minutes. Yes. We are sure. That means he or she is taking only 150 minutes to write the complete science board exam, and only 30 minutes are also there in your hand to revise. 30 minutes is there to have a look, to have a check it out. And I hope this strategy is helpful to you. Please do check out, and cheers. Take care. God bless.